In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable or disable music streaming or downloads via cellular data on iPhone. Alright, I'm on the home screen right now, and we're going to do this straight from the settings app because that's where the music cellular streaming options live. So first, I'm going to open settings. It's the grey gear icon. If you don't see it on the screen you're on, just swipe over until you find it, then tap it once. Okay, now we're inside settings and you'll see a long list of different options. We're heading into the apps section, so at this point I'm going to scroll down a bit. I'm going a little slow here just so it's easy to spot the label and we don't skip right past it. Alright, I see apps, so I'm tapping on apps now. Now we're on the apps screen, and this is basically a big list of apps where you can change settings for each one. What we need is music, so I'm going to scroll through this list until I find it. If your list is long, that's totally normal. Just keep scrolling steadily and watch the names as they pass by. Okay, I found music, so I'm tapping on music. Now we're inside the music settings page. There are a bunch of options in here, so don't worry if it looks like a lot. The one we need is called cellular streaming, so I'm scanning for that. If you don't see it right away, just scroll a little on this music settings screen because it can sit a bit lower depending on your setup. Alright, there it is, cellular streaming. I'm going to tap on cellular streaming now. Okay, now you're on the cellular streaming screen, and this is where you choose how music behaves when you're using cellular data. The choices you'll see here are none, high efficiency, and high quality, and the only thing you're doing is selecting the one you prefer. So here's how to think about it while you're looking at the options. If you want to disable cellular streaming, you're going to choose none. That's the option that basically stops streaming over cellular data based on this setting. So if that's what you want, go ahead and tap none, and you should see it select immediately, usually with a check mark. If you still want to stream music over cellular, but you want it to be lighter and more data friendly, you'll choose high efficiency. So at this point you would tap high efficiency, and again you'll see it become the selected option right away. And if you want the best audio quality while streaming on cellular, you'll choose high quality. So you tap high quality and it will switch over to that option as your selected choice. Right now I'm just tapping the option that matches what I want. I'm watching for the selection indicator so I know it actually changed, because that's the main confirmation that the setting is now active. If you tap one and then change your mind, it's fine. You can just tap another option and it updates instantly.